Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fantastic pickled vegetables for shawarma. These tangy, crunchy additions elevate any wrap or plate. We will start by selecting fresh, crisp vegetables such as Persian cucumbers, slender carrots, and vibrant pink turnips. Next, we will prepare a basic pickling brine, which is the foundation of our delicious creation. This simple process ensures you have flavorful pickles ready in just a few days. Now let's prepare our vegetables. Begin by washing and trimming them well. For cucumbers, you might cut them into spears. Carrots can be sliced into thin rounds or sticks. Turnips are often cut into 1/4 inch thick rounds or wedges. The key is uniform size for even pickling. Pack these prepared vegetables tightly into clean, sterilized glass jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top. You can also add garlic cloves or peppercorns for extra flavor. The brine is crucial for flavor and preservation. For a balanced brine, combine 2 cups of water with 2 cups of white vinegar in a saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Heat this mixture gently, stirring until the salt and sugar are completely dissolved. Do not boil vigorously. Once dissolved, remove the brine from the heat and allow it to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before pouring it over your packed vegetables. Carefully pour the slightly cooled brine over the vegetables in your jars, making sure all vegetables are completely submerged. If needed, use a fermentation weight to keep them under the liquid. Seal the jars tightly with lids. Allow them to sit at room temperature for 3 to 5 days to pickle. Once opened, store your delicious pickled vegetables in the refrigerator, where they will remain fresh and flavorful for 2 to 3 weeks. Enjoy them with your homemade shawarma.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.